Hello, welcome to Dr. Ashish Parnani training channel. I welcome you on this YouTube channel and especially in this wonderful video. Today's topic we have for you is amazing decision making tips. Now, what are this decision making? We always make decisions. Today, before joining this video, you make a decision whether to join this video, whether to watch this video or not. So every way, let's say almost in 24 hours, we make hundreds of decisions, isn't it? So we all make decisions, and therefore it's very important for us to understand and learn how to make good decisions, how to make effective and right decisions. And I want to share with you one very important key factor which helps you to make effective and right decisions. And I will not be wrong that if I'll say that almost every time you will be able to make it. So the number one thing which helps you, or the key factor that you should take care in mind when taking a decision or when making up a very important or major decision, is your emotional level. Yes, my dear friend, your emotional level. What is your emotional level when you are making a particular decision? You need to think about that. For example, let me share with you. If you go to a particular shopping mall and if you see a wonderful sale, it's a 70% sale or an 80% sale or year-ending sale or a festival-ending sale, what do? You will think of buying that particular product. But what you need to think is, what you need to remember is that do you need that particular product or not? Now, if you think from a need perspective, that would be logical thinking. If you just go for a point of view of it's a sale, let me have it, that would be a emotional thinking. Okay, and if you buy emotionally, that would not be a right decision, that would not be an effective decision, isn't it? I hope you are understanding the point. So the thing is that you make logical decisions and you make right decisions almost every time. See, when it comes to decision making, there would be some emotional decisions as well. But you need to understand that your emotional level should not be on a lower side. If your emotional level is on a lower side, if you have a low emotional state, don't make any major decisions. For example, if you see some girl, or if you are a girl and if you see some boy and if you're totally attracted, usually attracted towards him or her, and you make a decision that you'll propose to her or you'll marry that vertical girl or a boy, then it's not a right decision, because it's just an infatuation or you're just attracted towards the person. And what's that moment? That is a moment where your emotional level is absolutely at the bottom. So you don't take major decision at that particular point. Let me give you one more example. Let's say you have a fight with your friend or with your spouse or with anyone, and you have a major fight, okay, very bad kind of a fight, disargument or a disagreement over something. And you said something and the person also said something, and now you are saying something like this, that I will never talk to you. I will never talk to you. Now this is a kind of a decision you are making not to talk to someone, isn't it? Now, is this decision right? If he or she is your friend, or let's say a relative, a brother or a sister or a spouse, and telling something or saying something that I'll never talk to you, is not right, because you also know that this is not going to happen. Maybe after a few hours you will talk. But taking that decision is because your emotional level is absolutely at the bottom, or you have a very low emotional state. So you don't make decisions when you are a low emotional state. So you should wait, calm yourself. Even if need be, just boycott that particular situation, get away to that particular situation, get away from that particular situation for some time, for few seconds, for few minutes. Don't make any major decision like abusing someone, like taking someone or criticizing someone, or let's say buying something in the first example as I've shared with you. This is very important for you to understand, guys, because a lot of the time our decision making is designed in a way that how emotional we are. And when our emotional state is on the lower side, we tend to take wrong decisions. Don't do it. Let me share with you one incident which happened in my school days. My friend, one of my close friend, after the 10th standard, when we went to the 11th standard, he chose Sanskrit as a subject. And now, because he was my friend, I was thinking that whether should I choose Sanskrit, whether should I take Sanskrit or Hindi was another subject. So it was a kind of a dilemma I was in. But the thing was, I don't choose Sanskrit because I don't want to get into it. I know, but I will not get good marks. I chose Hindi instead. But I was really inclined. I was 99% almost convinced. And he also convinced me to choose Sanskrit over Hindi. But I didn't. So what I'm trying to tell you, my emotional state was also low, but I took some time and had a discussion with my parents because marks were very important than the friendship. Okay? Because I don't know, friendship is okay, but I really don't know how much marks will I score in 11th standard when it comes to Sanskrit subject. So I decided to take Hindi. So you have to think, don't make these decisions, don't take major decisions like marriage, like whom you want to be, or what subjects you have to take, what stream you have to go, what career path you have to choose, how you have to go in your life. Don't take major decisions like relationship also when your emotional state at your low. Also when it comes to spending, money management is very important thing when it comes to your emotional state. Okay, so please be aware of these. I hope that this important tip or some of the things that I have shared with you today will help you to understand that how you have to take good decisions and effective decisions, or I should say the right decisions for you. Okay, so I hope that this video will help you. Share this video in your known friends and your family friends so that they can also learn something new. And please subscribe this YouTube channel. If you want some other topic for me to share with you so that you can learn, please write me on the comment box so that I can come with a new topic next time. Thank you so much for joining. God bless you. Bye-bye.